Step back, Charles. You're the man, Calvin!
I'll tell you what, there's a lot of...
Ho ho!
Over the top, Hunter. Charlie.
Charlie, watch your feet on that fish. Is that a camera? Charles. Pump and wind, Charlie, you'll lose it.
Yeah, pump and wind. Sorry, mate.
Time for a quick look backwards, mate. Big smile. All right. I can found the wahoo, mate. Pump and wind, Charles. Take your time, Pete. She's hook solid, mate. Charlie, where's the other gimbal?
Hey, I've got it in there, but it won't wind. The reel won't wind. In there? Wind this in?
That's far back. Get his gimbal. Get his gimbal.
That one there, yeah.
How you going, Red?
No, what about it?
Tighten up the strap.
Can't share, she's a baby, mate. Swap over.
Get that shotgun over to the side.
That's it, under, Peter under, Peter under.
Go, go, go!
That's it. Come here. Right, put it the other one. Hands and knees, mate.
That's awesome. It's a who, mate? We've got colour here, buddy. Pete, when they grab the leader, back off your drag. Doing a good job, boys. What is that? Hey? I don't think it's a wahoo.
What have I got, Calvin?
It's a wahoo, mate.
Colour on Peters.
Colour.
Okay.
Get this other one in first, Joe, and then help it.
That's not a wahoo.
Foul hooked it. No, it is a wahoo. It's got a big mouth. Keep going, Pete. It's not hooked very well. Give it all you got, Charlie.
Got it?
That's it, mate. Back her off. Back her off. Keep winding. Keep winding. Yeah, baby! High five. Woo!
Not good enough for this crap.
Step back. Step back.
That's good.
Oh, look at that!
Yes!
Beautiful fish.
I think that's a bit better business. A bit bigger.
Good on you, mate. How's the shoulder? Hey, you're on strike for 10 seconds.
Yeah, 6 hours of waiting. better get ready.
How's that,
Stu.
Calvin? I was on strike 6 hours. They were on strike one minute.
Thank you. I'll get your arms on both belt.
Charlie, how you doing?
Getting there now.
Hey, trying to get the photos here.
Did you ever get a photo of yours?
Nah, haven't got a photo yet.
Didn't get time.
Haven't had time, buddy. Get your gloves back on now.
Bedlam. Got a bad start off to the day, hey?
Oh, look at those fish, man. That's awesome.
The 3 whale who hooked up in what, 5 minutes?
The 3 wahoo, yeah. A single, got an in, then a double.
I don't think I want to jig now. I'm worn out.
Nah, you'll be alright, mate. Wait till you get some doggies. This could end up being a very good day, mate. Very good day.
I couldn't.
You're alright, Charlie. Come on, mate.
You nearly there, mate.
No, I just couldn't turn the reel before.
That's because you were at a standoff with it. Feed that line across, mate. Got a couple of good photos. Shakes, mate.
You're getting excited.
They are excited. I'm going to go on this side. Well done, boys.
Yeah, I noticed that halfway through, I remember.
Colour boys. Go colour. Yep. Here now.
Hey, go, Charlie.
All right now.
Good fish.
Back it off, Charlie. Back it off a bit.
Keep winding.
Good loading.
Well done, Charlie.
Well done, buddy.
Very good fish, Charlie.
Well done, Charlie.
Thank you.
Let me get a photo of it, Charlie.
Go for it.
Wasn't that back with the toes?
Step back,
Can
mate.
you beat?
Step back, Charlie.
Slowly, boys.
Charlie, step back.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, mate.
That.
Well done.
You don't want to have this photo taken with that one. Jeez, look at that. Getting it from the shame.
Hey, well done, buddy.
Here's the fish.
Good on you, mate. What a fish.
What's something that size?
Oh,
What's that? 25?
I'm stopping.
I thought I was
30?
just